Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you'll find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic cover from the lower dashboard covering. Then use the same tool to remove the rivet holding the panel. Then remove it. Remove the pollen filter cover. Pull out the pollen filter, which is in two parts. Take the tab on the second filter so that you can remove it more easily. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are three types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and odours, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Reposition the two filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. Look carefully at what is indicated on the filter, which should show you the airflow direction. Put the first one in place, pushing it up once it's tucked in and taking care to leave the flap sticking out. Then put the second one in place. Put the flange back on. Put the casing back on, clipping it in to start with. Finish by replacing the retaining rivet, then the cover. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.